Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys a garlic creamy crab and salmon whatever. So okay, we're gonna need some lump crab if you want to. I just threw it in there. That's Dungeness crab, 2 cups of spinach, 8 cloves of garlic that we're going to mince or crush or finely chop, however you want to do it. I have this nice salmon fillet, some parmesan, a lemon, and a cup and 3/4 1 3/4 cup, of half and half. So like all my recipes, the ingredients are simple, everything is easy. We're just gonna salt and pepper our salmon fillets, both sides. I do the second side after I place it onto the skillet, and then squeeze some lemon juice on them. I didn't show that because I actually forgot. But so I heat up some olive oil. If you don't know how to cook salmon, sorry, I skipped completely past that part because it ain't. Oh, maybe it is a salmon recipe. Yeah, well, I skipped it. So hopefully you know how to cook salmon. So we're gonna deglaze our pan. Do not rinse it. We're gonna add 3 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna give it a twirl, let it melt. Okay, now we're gonna add our garlic. We're gonna give that a twirl as well. Do not burn your garlic. When you smell it, pour in that half and half. That's exactly when it's time, because you don't want to burn your garlic. It burns easily, especially in oil. Okay, so yeah, give your milk a twirl. Milk half and half. You can use heavy cream if you want to. I just used half and half. I'm showing you guys me adding half a cup of shredded Parmesan. In reality, I probably added a whole cup because I'm a crackhead for cheese. Okay, but next we're gonna add 2 cups of spinach, and we're gonna give that a twirl, let it kind of cook a little bit. And it probably looked like a lot, but if you know spinach, you know that it cooks down to like half the size of what it's supposed to be. So give it a twirl, and then we're gonna add our crab next. And all that's left to do, guys, is just add our salmon fillets back to our sauce. If you undercooked it the first time or it's not cooked enough for you, then you could just simmer in the sauce for a little bit longer. Just make sure you don't scorch the bottom. And then that's it, guys. We're gonna garnish it with some more lump crab meat and with some lemons. You can do some parsley if you want, a little bit of extra green, but that's it, guys. Super simple, freaking delicious. It was so damn good. It was great. It was great. It was great. So I hope you guys try it. I hope you enjoy it. And thanks for watching.